Big up yourself. Yeah, man. I had the mix up on things. Star Seed. This is what I say. Alright, so today we're going to talk about some people here now. I want the whole world. But them not put in and try to get no effort out there to get it. Some people want everything and them not put no effort in a nothing. See? By the sweat of your bread you shall eat. You understand? You can't plan corner expect so you have a reap peace. You can't plan corner expect so you have a reap peace. It can't happen. So if you sit down every day and want money and you're not work for it, then how you going to get it? You pray every night but you want money, yes. And you go to God and ask God for money. And you not do nothing, no effort. Figure push, figure get it. So all I know sit down, the banker come at your yard. Me say the banker come at your yard. Don't move. This is what I say. You have to make a step forward to the future to make things go on. If you have a plan, then you not have to work towards it. You can't sit down and expect it to come to you. Enough people want their life to change and they not make no effort to make them life change. Seeing? Them not make no effort. Seeing? I just saw them stay. You understand? Them sit down and then look on people and bad mind other people for them things. But them not push no effort to go get nothing for themselves. You can't do them things there. Them things are not right. You can't see people and just want things where people have and grudge people for them things where them have. Me no grudge a man for nothing. Cause what for a man, I for a man, and me no know how a man go about for getting them things. Some man work harder than some for get them things. So me not go grudge a man. What for a man, I for a man, and what mine. And if me have $2 in my pocket and you have $1 million, me glad for me $2. You stay there with your $1 million. I saw the thing work. But you can't want these things and you sit down at your yard every day you come at the same day. Every day. Every day at the same day. The same thing. What you do every day? Sit down at your yard and not think about you want money. And you not make no effort to it. You come like a pinky on the brain. You try to take over the world with no brain. You see what I say? Can't do them things there. You have to go out there or look a job or look to a job. Save your money. Make a step. Stop grudge people for them things where them have. And don't be bad mind. I tell you, don't be grudgeful. You understand what I say? Because enough of we act like say, yeah, we are going to go and we are going to get this and someone want to live. But you are going to do it. First of all, you only had the intention but you don't have no game plan. No movements. You don't have nothing for sure. You don't have nothing to prove. Tell me now. Yeah, woman. Get yourself together and straighten up yourself. So may I say, yeah man, this is Star Seed once again. Big up yourself, yeah?